Hello dear friends, here I introduce our advanced ventilator. You see this ventilator main unit. This is a humidifier. This is circuit. This is compressor. Now we check the back side. This ventilator need two gas source. One is oxygen, one is air. You see compressor. Here I have two compressor to drive ventilator only. Actually, when we need oxygen here, air here. There is a power cable. Here is fans. Here is a switch. Now you see the ventilator screen mode, monitoring, alarm, system, expression. Here. Here is expression valve. Here is inspiration valve. Here is a nebulizer. Now it's raining. I have to return. You see, you hear the sound. You hear the sound. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.